Hello everyone! Andito na naman po kami. Magandang gabi, magandang umaga, or magandang hapon saan dako man kayo nanonood. Diesel po ito from Virginia, USA with my co-presenter, Coach Flor from Australia. Good evening, Coach. Good morning there.
Good morning here.
How are
Hello
you?
po, kamusta po? Andito naman po kami sa usap-usapang pagkakakitaan ni Liz upang turuan po kayo sa more about online business. At ngayon po, ang topic po natin ay why do businesses close down? Bakit nga po may mga business na nagko-close down? There are so many reasons why businesses close down. Not all businesses close due to business failure. Sometimes even profitable business decide to close its door. And today we will show you the top 3 reasons why do businesses close down and advantage in leveraging through the internet. Number 1, business plan. A poor business plan or inexistent of business plan is the reason for many business failures. But with our online business, we will provide you with strategies that formulate a roadmap to success and reach your goals. With our proven tools and system, this business will work for you 24 hours per day. We will provide you with marketing strategies and management plan for a short-term and long-term goal. Full online training, unlimited mentoring, coaching, and global community support will be provided to you. This
Number 2, lack of capital, insufficient funds, and underestimating expenses like material costs, labor, utilities are another reason why business fail. The best thing with online business is we will help you build your very own online business with lower outlay. You don't need to hire anybody to operate the business for you. You don't need to lease any office space. You can do the business from home or anywhere you want as long as there is internet.
number 3, yeah, unforeseen events. The entrepreneur might have an excellent business plan, ample capital, great management skills, yet an unforeseen event or totally unexpected event might close the business. Having a backup plan and online business that works in the background is the smartest way to earn revenue, especially in times like this. Nowadays, the biggest changes are happening in the world, and what you must do to have an advantage online. The future moves so much faster with software development and advancing technology. It also means that a lot of businesses nowadays are all turning online. We are here to help you move to that gradual shift. Our proven automated system is a 90% done for you system, and all you need to do is just put your 10% personality so that you can make it uniquely your own.
That's amazing, coach. Yes, guys, we are inviting you to register on our website. After this video, you can see the website of Coach Floor and my website registered, and you will discover what this business can do to help you. It's already changed a lot of people's life. Now it's your turn. What if this business works for you? What if this business will help improve your life circumstances? At the end, we only regret the chances we didn't take. So, better check this out and register now. Thank you for watching and hoping you learn from us every day. And next week, about our online business, at the floor, we have our special guest.
Yes, yes, that's right, Liz. Next week is another special day, and we have a live interview with one of the successful digital or online business owner in Canada.
Yes.
That is so amazing. So tune in for more information sa Usap-Usapang Pagkakakitaan. Thank you for watching and bye for now.
See you.
Liz,
Bye. See you
bye.
next
See you
time.
soon. See
Bye.
you. Bye.